Hi everybody, my name is Tim Barrett and I am, like you, a doctoral student at the University of St. Thomas. I am a year one cohort and I was in your position about a year ago, and Dr. Noonan asked me to show you how to use the voice dictation feature to capture the transcript from a Zoom video. So here we go. Again, my name is Tim Barrett. And basically, if you didn't know this already, and I'm going to try my very best to not mansplain, or in my case, Tim-splain this. So everybody, all you University of St. Thomas people have a Zoom channel. And what I usually do, I just Google UST Zoom, and then it brings you to this page, and then you have to log in, which I already skipped that step. But anyways, what you do, here's your channel, blah, blah, blah. So if you ever want to host a meeting, you just go with video on, and you want to make sure that when you're hosting a session like this, you need to make sure you record it. So failed to start the video camera. So let's just pretend that you're going to go ahead and I'm hoping you've been through enough Zoom sessions, you understand how to do this. So I'm going to just exit out of there, but you just want to make sure that you record it to the cloud. Okay, and then I'm going to exit out of here. I know it looks like I am like all over the place with this, but I'm going to go back. So check this out. I have previous Zoom sessions, so check this out. This is what you're going to be doing. This is when I defended my prospectus. This was a few weeks ago. I was doing a presentation. Okay, so here's this. But I recorded this as a Zoom meeting. But the nice thing about this is that on the side here, it collects all of collects and creates a written transcript of what was said. Now, is it 100% accurate? Absolutely not. But it's better than nothing. So the nice thing about this is that it captures it. It doesn't do an accurate job of saying who said what, but it does give you the timestamp on it, so you can go and search the video. Another thing is, if you have keywords that you're looking for, like let's say I want to look for word question right there. It highlights it and it says every iteration when that comes up when it thinks it collects it. So anyways, what I would recommend doing is to just go like this. I'm clicking and using the roller on my mouse, and then I'm going to just do a Control C to copy it, and then I'm going to open up like a Word document, and then I'm going to go to paste, and you have all these paste special options. Whatever works best for you. Paste it into like a Word document, or Dr. Chu did say that, so because she was on virtually as well. So anyways, this is better than nothing. It needs to get cleaned up, and it's just a nice way for you to, rather than press play, try to type as it's playing. This is much more automated and user-friendly, and you can do with it what you want. So I hope that this is what Dr. Noonan wanted me to share with you. And yeah, that's all I have. Good luck.